Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm Cynthia Maynard, and today I have a quick Christmas card, even a winter card. You could just do this exact same card for winter and just change the sentiment to something else. So this is the only thing that's really Christmassy about it. But let me show you what dies I'm using. I'm from Card Making Magic, which you can get at craftstash. I'm using these two Poinsettia dies that come in a nice big set with the actually the word Christmas that cuts this out. Some Tim Holtz older dies. There are two of them from like a wintry, comes with a set of 4, I believe, Sizzix die set. An older Spellbinders little Poinsettia I'm using for the middles. And then the large die of the month, which has these 2 layering pieces, as you see here, that go on top of the other. So for time's sake, I did go ahead and glue them down. So let's go ahead and take that off and see what that looks like. Very cool. Of course, you could put Nouveau drops or something like that, or stitching with those dots there. I have an older, I should say, Sizzix 3D embossing folder that I'm using just as a 4 by 5 1/4 front. And I'm just a card base here that makes an A2 size card. So I'm gonna go ahead and get gluing. Pretty simple card. You could easily die cut a bunch of stuff out and produce several of these. You could make several and give them as a gift. So that's the dimension on those 3D ones. Those are my favorite. Okay, we've got our piece here that's already glued together, and then we just need to glue this down. Get adhesive on there, but with these fine tip glue applicators, you can get the bottles at Amazon and then just refill it. I fill it up with this art glitter glue. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this right in the middle. Here are our poinsettias. This is some tonic specialty paper that I had. All right, so I just die cut that a couple times just so I would have a little more dimension there. And I'm going to offset that. Have a center, you might as well have a tiny center, and it has more detail. So then I'm just going to take these and kind of try it out here. I think I'm going to, and just put a little glue. I'm not going to overdo it because I want it to be a little bit dimensional, a little bit tactile, I should say, you know. Same with this guy. Okay, just putting those like that. Fluff this. You could do this in gold mirror card as well. All right, and then our Christmas is just going to kind of go across the top here. So I did die cut that word Christmas 3 times, so 2 in white and 1 in the coral, just to give it a little stability. You could do it with foam underneath. All right, this one, this is the glitter drops, and it's called Honey Gold. And I always do it on my station. Oh, I like that. That's really pretty. So I'm going to put one big honking one in the middle here. Am I going to do these? Maybe I will. The ones that are showing anyway. Some of them are covered up by the greenery or whitery. So I'm just going to put them right on those little dots. Okay. All there is to it, guys. Super fun. I'm going to let those dry, give them a little tap so they kind of fall and do that rounded. Ooh, I really like that. I think it's really, hopefully the camera's picking that up. Super fun. All right. It's nice. Your dies make everything really, really easy. All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much. Have a great day.